Good evening, everyone. We are Team Innovation from Puebla, and we are excited to present our final proposal for a sustainable alternative to conventional vinyl. Let's make a quick summary about the challenge. As you know, the Sust Engineering Challenge is based on taking a research project to find a new sustainable material to replace conventional vinyl for carton seat covers. With that said, we're going to present our findings in 5 key areas. The material research, which is the process we follow to identify our chosen material, and of course we want to talk about it. The conceptualization, an in-depth look at the material. It is going to include its composition, the process involved, the chemical list and key characteristics, the green process, which are the details of our environmentally friendly characteristics, the cost analysis, which is a breakdown of the material cost considerations, and finally the solution process, how we successfully developed and implemented our solution. The first point to consider is our team. We gather people with different characteristics and abilities. Myself, Elias Rodriguez, I am a mechatronics engineer. Then we have Carlos Aguila, an industrial engineer. Then Janet, another industrial engineer. Sebastian Ramirez, a lawyer. And our final member, an industrial engineer, is Reto. Each one of the members has something to contribute, creating our opportunity to present our final project. So now, let's talk about our chosen material. Prickly pear cactus leather, also known as nopal leather, is a game changer in the scarcity trim industry. Unlike traditional leather, it is crafted from the nopal cactus, a sustainable and available plant. This innovative material boasts a significantly lower environmental footprint compared to its conventional counterparts, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious car manufacturers and consumers alike. Before everything, we need a little bit of context. Classic vinyl has been a long-standing material choice for car seat trim due to several factors. Its widespread availability and cost-effectiveness creates an attractive option for manufacturers. Additionally, vinyl offers good durability and it is relatively easy to clean and maintain. However, classic vinyl also comes with limitations. It has limited breathability, which can trap heat and moisture, leading to discomfort for passengers. Furthermore, the source material can be non-renewable or recycled, depending on the manufacturer's practices. Sadly, the manufacturing process and finished product can contain harmful chemicals like PVOCs. This raises an environmental and health concerns. While vinyl remains a common choice, its limitations highlight the need for exploring more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. From viewing our research of vinyl in the modern car industry, we can identify several essential characteristics for the ideal material. These critical factors directly influence both functionality and aesthetics. We have 4. Malleability, the materials should be easily shaped and adaptable. The trimability, the materials needs to be easily cut, sewn, and finished to seamlessly integrate. The appearance, it is important to have visual appeal. And finally, the durability. Withstanding daily wear and tear is paramount. The material should be resistant to abrasions, fading, and cracking.
Now let's talk about some chemical properties. The cactus leather is a type of plastic resin that is made from chlorine and ethylene. The name is actually derived from the full name of the material, which is polyvinyl chloride. Now the chemical process is the following. First, harvesting and selection. The mature nopal leaves are selected without damaging the plant, allowing harvest every 6 and 8 months. Then they are washed and disinfected to eliminate the impurities. The second step is the drying. They are dried in the sun for 3 days to eliminate the moisture and facilitate extraction of the raw material. Then the extraction and processing. The dried leaves are crushed to obtain pulp, and then they are mixed with water and specific enzymes to separate the fibers and proteins. These proteins are purified and adjusted to find the desired viscosity. The fourth step is mixing and forming. Proteins are mixed with a non-toxic biopolymer derived from vegetable oils. The color is added with natural pigments or biodegradable dyes, and then finally the mixture is applied to a textile or cellulose support to give it in shape and strength. The next step is the finishing. The mixture is dried to obtain the desired texture and thickness. Then a surface treatment is applied to improve resistance to water, abrasion, and UV rays. Finally, testing and quality control. Here, the tests are conducted to ensure the quality of the nopal leather in terms of strength, flexibility, durability, and color.
Our biocompositive offers a sustainable alternative to conventional materials. The physical characteristics are great softness to the touch. This is due to the combination of the natural characteristics of the pig earth fibers, such as cellulosic fibers, the manufacturing process, and the mixture with other fibers. Biodegradable. This type of leather, in contrast to synthetic leather, contains a large proportion of organic materials, which contributes positively to the preservation of the environment by reducing the polluting impact associated with the production. Durability. This leather is very resistant. Wear and durability tests implemented by the brand that developed it verify that it has a resistance on par with any leather of animal origin. That is up to 10 years. degree of rawness and elasticity. It achieves the extraordinary quality through its cactus, the right composition, which reflects the natural collagen attributes found in traditional leather goods. The fabric is certified vegan and cruelty free and helps reduce environmental impacts in important ways.
Now, our product has green characteristics, starting with the fact that our product is derived from cactus and has biological process. It also has a USDA certification which guarantees that a product is organic and meets the legal requirements to deserve that label, and is of the highest quality. Also, it is environmentally friendly, and as it is certified as a vegan and free of animal cruelty, in addition to waste very low materials at the time of its creation. Some of the SDGs that our product follows are responsible consumption and production, climate of action, life on Earth, and decent work and economic growth.
We search information about the nopal liter and we see that the price is in a range between 660 to 1040 Mexican pesos. Also, this is general since it depends on the quality sold according to the needs of the automobile. Likewise, a shipping cost is charged, which will depend on the weight of the skin. That is, if 3 meters of skin are ordered from Mexico City, this will cost us between 1,400 to 1,500 Mexican pesos. Another example is if the 3 meters of leather cost us 1,040 pesos, the shipping cost will be added to this to have the final cost. In this case, it will be 2,440 Mexican pesos. Now you're gonna see our creative process. We're going to talk about the pineapple litter. The pineapple litter is an innovative, natural, and vegan alternative made from pineapple leaf waste. Its production process is based on water and enzymes. This minimizes the environmental impact and makes it a sustainable option. The benefits of this is biodegradable and renewable, a material that is responsible for the planet. In use of waste, it reduces the environmental impact of the pineapple industry. In the unique aesthetics, it's a natural texture that provides a distinctive touch. We're going to talk about the vine leather. The vine leather is an innovative, vegan, and sustainable alternative made from waste from vine industry, such as grape and skins. Its production process with cutting-edge techniques minimize the environmental impact and makes it a responsible option. The benefits of this is biodegradable and sustainable. It's a material that takes care of the planet. Use of waste reduce the environmental impact of vine production. Unique appearance is visually appealing texture and coloration. In durability and resistance, it's a material that will accompany you for a long time.
The cellulose acetate is a semi-synthetic material derived from wood pulp, the cellulose, an acetic material and is often used as an alternative to traditional plastic because of its biodegradability. Some of the benefits of this material are that it is biodegradable under certain conditions, offers a glossy plastic-like aesthetic with good color variety, and can be sourced from sustainability managed forests. Synthetic leather is an artificial material designed to mimic the look and feel of the leather. It is usually composed of polyurethane and polyvinyl chloride. Some of its advantages are that it is inexpensive and readily available, offers great durability and wear resistance, and the different finishes can resemble genuine leather.
Well, as we move forward, selecting the most suitable option requires careful consideration of various factors. The chart provides a comparative overview of the key characteristics we discussed for each material: prickly-pear cactus leather, pineapple leather, cellulose acetate, synthetic leather, and vine leather. As you can see, each material offers its own unique set of advantages and limitations. While traditional materials like vinyl boss with spare availability and cost effectiveness, they often fall short in terms of sustainability. Prickly pear cactus leather stands out in this comparison. It excels in several key areas, showing a clear superiority over the other materials.
As a team, we came to the conclusion that prickly pear leather is the best option for Forvia. Just imagine a future where the leather of our products is as resistant as the cactus and as sustainable as nature itself. And don't forget that prickly pear cactus leather is as elegant as the best vinyl. The future is now. Thanks to our project, we will be revolutionizing the industry with the implementation of a new vinyl made from cactus. But what does this mean for Forvia? It means more durable products that will last for longer, a lower environmental impact contributing to a greener future, and innovate and unique design that will make the company stand out. Do you want to be part of the revolution? Allow us to be part of your project. Contribute, innovate, and grow together. My name is Luis Maxwell, and this is our Innovation Meetup proposal.